Okay, open up your cupcake. Tell Mommy what color it is.
Watch Daddy.
There's 2 papers. Open it up all the way.
Liam, no.
Come on, Liam.
Take a bite.
Can you take a bite?
Liam, no.
Take a bite of the cupcake and tell Mommy what color it is.
Oh my goodness, look at you.
Yummy.
What color, Mia?
What color is it?
Yay! What does that mean, honey?
What's it mean the baby is?
Do you remember what blue means?
What is it?
What is it? What's blue mean?
No.
It means it's a